You say that the ambassador had this on him?
Yep.
It's a dwarf machine.
I'll take your word for it. I don't read dwarf.
A machine that produces amber.
Oh yeah? Where is it?
The only place they could hide such a machine. Beneath the prison. Without amber, Lysrel would be even weaker. Yes, we will need explosives.
Don't tell me you plan to destroy the amber machine.
Yes, and you are going to help me.
No fucking way. That machine is a blessing.
You still don't understand that true power lies in quartz. It will free you at last from the amber.
Okay. So, where do I find the explosives?
In the hunter's village. Then meet me at the prison.
So, I take care of finding your fucking explosives, and I meet you at the gates of the prison.
That's it. And I'll find the exact location of the machine and discover its weak points.
And where do I find your fucking explosives? Up the ass of the Wilderan dwarfs?
I learned that one of the dwarf bombs is in the upper warehouse of the city. The dwarves have hired a human to transport their precious explosives.
Okay, I'll figure something out to find the rest. Jara, if you find the source of amber, keep some for me. It'll knock a chunk off your debt.
You should stop that poison. It enslaves you to Lysrel as much as it has enslaved my own people. How do you think she found you in Thoban?
Keep your advice to yourself. Someone smart once said, virtue is the perfect balance point between two vices, and hypocrites like you are the crack between my two ass cheeks. I heard the ambassador is dead. Is that true?
Bloody elves. If it was me, I'd use all our explosives to blow up the city.
According to Jarak, one of the bombs is in the warehouse in the upper town. With the others, I could try to track the transport guy he spoke about. I can't believe that lard-ass. He was so greedy he stashed his treasure somewhere he couldn't get back from. It can make me strong as a troll, or it can make me grow a beard 2 meters long. I'll put it aside for the moment. Not the time to take risks. The good old bookcase trick. Wow, the designers are really lacking in originality. Guess it's maybe a budget problem. Look who's there. Looks like the human hasn't yet delivered his stuff. You'd think that someone really wanted me to visit every nook and cranny. This is where they corral the goblins before sending them to the Dark Elves. I know it should make me angry, but these greenskins are so pathetic. They look like fucking depressed chickens. And that's an insult to chickens. Here's Jarak's skiff. I'll ready her while waiting for him to get his ass on board. This machine that supposedly produces amber without a world tree. It's a mystery to me. How were the dwarfs able to do that? From what source? I've got to see it to believe it. Thoban, Karangar, Wildoran, Akanash. I'm turning into quite a tourist. Maybe I should write a travel guide. The best spots for nefarious activity. A quick and easy guide to starting a protection racket. The most beautiful panoramas to slit throats in. The best inns for pickpocketing. Find everything you need in the renowned Evil Green Guy travel guide. And that makes 3. We're gonna make a nice firework display, visible all the way to Emperor Damocles' palace. All that's left to do is to find that damn Jarak and his skiff. A piece of pure quartz. That was missing from my collection. The dwarfs are getting ready to load it on their airship. Or rather, we're getting ready.
Human. War is on the march. Negotiations can wait.
A war? Against whom?
By the beard of the mother dwarf, do these humans know nothing? Against the Dark Elves, you fool! They dared to kill our ambassador! Get out of our way! We gotta get a move on. You do better by setting sail.
War? But that's dangerous. At the same time, they're going right for goblins. Good trip then.
What the hell is this?
Pretty shards, all in a row. I've got the explosives.
And I know where the machine is located.
These explosives are gonna make the elves think the dwarves sabotaged their machine.
I see that you're beginning to enjoy politics, my friend. Everything is locked. There is only one way out. You must go through the extractor. I'll watch your back.
According to Jared, the only way to reach the heart of the amber machine is to go through a duct. I don't know why, but I get the feeling I'm not gonna like this.
Why did Lysserl have the dwarf ambassador killed?
We are all shocked by this unexpected act. The Castasiel are now in a difficult position.
The Wilderin dwarves have sent emissaries. War is inevitable. We have come short of strength.
by finishing the remaining amber bloods and making sure that our reserves are full.
That should be enough to shut down the tunnel. No more deliveries of goblins. Is delivered. Should lead to some explosive discoveries. Gosh.
Almost declared. The dwarves massacred a group of elves in the tunnels, and Lisril is leaving Korengar.
Our High Priestess would never abandon us and leave us at the mercy of these dwarfs.
And yet, She's taking advantage of the departure of the remaining strangers to flee.
Leos!
Interesting. I've already been through here. The only difference is the last time my ass was up in the air. Oh, come on. Don't these Rakash ever stop screaming? What can those fucking elves be doing to them?
Oh, that's the good one. You can't escape a caster seal. Nothing. He must have fled before the power of Lysral. Amberskin! Your blood.
That noise.
Just a shot.
Rivers of amber. I can't believe this shit. These dark elf bastards extract amber from the bodies of Rakash? Ah, and I drink their fucking amber? Filled with puking. We should write a story about me. How I always seem to find myself in the shittiest situations. How about the Goblet and unexpectorated Greenie? Or maybe Styx, Master of Shadows. Oh, that's sexy. Science, Rakash. still can't believe it. This whole damn diplomatic summit to organize the collection and slaughter of Rakash. Compared to these dark elf bastards, I look like a fucking saint. Seen so much amber in my life. Even the World Tree of Akanash is nothing compared to this. This should be the happiest day of my life. Yet, the amber, the blood of Rakash. You fucking elves. That's it. I am quitting that shit. Tomorrow.
All this amber. What will become of us if production stops because of the war?
Perhaps the time has come for us to get off of it. We are a free people. Jarak, right?
Jarak is a traitor.
At least. This can remain happy.
This one is for all the Rakash killed by these fucking Dark Elf psychopaths. Rakash might be ugly and stupid, but they don't deserve to end up as amber mash. That fucking shapeshifter might just start the fireworks without me. I gotta hurry if I don't want to miss the grand finale.
Killing goblins to extract amber. How could Lissel even think of such a thing?
Ah, what a waste of good amber.
You fool! The amber is all you see. What I see is the liberation of my people. A new future begins!